Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets, see if we got any news, look at some prices, and look at Archangel token reflection, see if we got any updates. All right, today's March 5th. It's about 10:45 p.m. East Coast time. And if we look at the crypto fear and greed index, right now is at a 22. Yesterday it was at 22 also. That's extreme fear. Last week, 26. I think there was a few days that were around 50, which was positive. Last month, 20. Extreme fear also. Wonder why we're so fearful in the market. I think everybody knows. Quick dive into the stock market. Today's Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. Yesterday the stock market went down. Dow Jones went down 0.5%. NASDAQ down 1.6%. And S&P down almost 8%. That's a lot. Gold is up 2%. Right now, it's at $1,975 for an ounce of gold. Oil, what do you get? What do you guess? Is oil up? I don't know. Have you filled up your gas tank lately? Man, it went up 20 cents in one day. Gas prices. That was like 3 days ago. Anyway, oil prices, $115. It's up $7.33 today. And that brings it up 6.8% on the day. That is a lot of increase. Wow. That could have something to do with the fear in the market. Taking a look at CoinMarketCap at the crypto market. Total market cap of crypto right now is $1,779 billion. And that is up since yesterday, up 2.1%. Bitcoin dominance is 42.1%. Ethereum dominance is 17.9. Ethereum gas fees right now is 22 GUI, which is crazy low. Awesome. All right, Bitcoin price, $39,357. It's up 0.75% today and up almost 9% on the week. Ethereum is at $2,646. It's up 0.75% today and down 2.68% on the week. If we do a quick scroll down, everything in the top 10 is up on the day. Looks like decently. Looks like a mixed bag on the week. Terra Luna, number 7 token now is at $86.09. It's up 5% on the day and up 16% on the week. And I do not own any Terra Luna. Too bad. What else do we have? Let's take a look. Shiba Inu is now at the number 15 token, up 3% on the day and up almost 2 on the week. It's at 402,442 is the price. Oh, let's look at a couple other ones. Algorand, number 29 token, is at 77.11 cents. It's up 2.5% on the day and down 6% on the week. And if we scroll through the top 100, looks like a lot of green on the day. Still red on the week for about half. Anchor Protocol is up 41% on the week, number 69 token. Chiliz is up 33% on the week, number 70. Archangel token price on the day is up 4%. Yesterday it looks like it was down a little bit. Current volume 5,900. Looks like a couple buys came in recently. Yeah, buy came in few minutes ago for 5.5 trillion. Arca 0.36 ETH. That's cool. Current price 901768. So we take a quick look at the holder count on Ethereum blockchain. We're down in the last 2 days. I didn't make a video yesterday. In the last 2 days we're down 7 wallet holders on the Ethereum blockchain. On Binance Smart Chain we're up 3, and on Phantom we're up 4. That's even on 2 days. No increase or decrease. 4,960 wallet holders. Price is 1768. In the last 2 days is down 8.68%. On the week it's up 13.5%. The total market cap of Archangel is 9,159,000. Fully diluted market cap 17,680,000. Volume went up a little bit. It's around 5,500. Really low volume. I don't know what it was yesterday, but I think it was probably around 20,000. Just if we look at the daily burn wallet, well, this is 2 days. It went up 3.6 trillion. 3.6 trillion tokens were sent to the burn wallet. in 2 days, and 7-day burn is 2.2 trillion. We jump over to the reflections for this wallet. This wallet started with 1 trillion tokens. Half of them are in the staking pool, and I think we have just under 60 days left on the staking pool. And the other half of these tokens just sit in the wallet and gaining reflections. So if we jump in Archangel's white paper and we go to page 7, it talks about the tokenomics. There's 100 quadrillion total supply. 45% were burned originally, but we already know that. And there's a tax on buys and sells, not transferring to other wallets. There's no tax on that, okay? Okay, so there's 6% tax on buys and sells. It's split up 3 different ways. 2% is sent to the burn wallet, and 2% is sent to other token holders as rewards. It depends on how many, the percentage of the total supply that you have depends on the total supply of these rewards you get. And then there's another 2% that is sent to the operations budget. So the amount of reflections that were deposited into this wallet right here in the last 2 days was almost 36 million tokens. Daily increase in the staking pool rewards for the last 2 days was 210 million tokens. That brings, at this price, that brings the total reflections and rewards for this wallet to 6,394,000,000 tokens. Seems like a lot, and at today's price, that is $1.13. And you can buy 1 trillion Archangel tokens right now for $177. So the total amount of reflections that this wallet has received is just over 2 billion. And the total amount of rewards for the whole staking pool right now, which is it's been about 35 days. You know what? We'll look. Hold on. There's 49 days left for the staking pool to close, and so that means we've had 41 days, right? So we're almost halfway done with the staking pool. So we have received just over double the amount of tokens in staking pool rewards that we have in reflections. That's because we've had relatively low volume. So if the volume picks up, you're going to get more in reflections rewards. But the next staking pool is going to have different reflections. You're still going to get Archangel tokens, but not as many as this round of staking pool. But the next round should have Scratch Engine token as reflections, and it should have Guardian token as reflections as well. So that could be very interesting. We're gonna see how many different tokens start stacking up in our wallet here. Could be fun. Okay, so if we jump into the news, if we go to CoinGecko, I like their news. They're a decent news aggregator site. Hopefully Guardian will be better. But either way, U.S. lawmakers working on policy to open crypto markets to institutional investors, says Kevin O'Leary. That's from Bitcoin.com. That's a legit site. Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful, has revealed that a group of U.S. lawmakers is working on policy to open crypto markets to institutional investors. Quote, "The good news is they are all over it, and they agree that it's a tremendous opportunity once they pass policy." End of quote. That's O'Leary, and U.S. senators working anyway. That's it. See what else we have in the news. Visa, MasterCard join PayPal in suspending Russian operations. The payment processor cited Russia's invasion of Ukraine in announcing the move on Saturday. Does that mean the people in Russia can't use it? That kind of sucks. Here's one. Crypto industry maintained activity in February despite geopolitical tension. This is from Crypto Potato. Crypto and blockchain adoption move ahead despite or even because of political uncertainties in February. That's interesting. Here's one from Crypto Daily. Bitcoin to US dollar test 38,563 technical support. That's an analyst site. But since we are at 39,398 right now, it looks like it's gone up since then. So bounced down, touched the resistance, the support, the bottom. Hopefully it can maintain that. That would be positive for crypto. Crypto donations to Ukraine top $37 million. eBay eyes crypto payments, and South Korea allocates $187 million to the metaverse. Dang. This is interesting. Terra, Avalanche, and Osmosis lead the Layer 1 recovery while Bitcoin searches for support. Here's another one from Crypto Potato. 33% of surveyed American women intend to buy crypto in 2022, says a study. All right, I watched this video the other day, actually from yesterday. It's a really good video. It's from Real Vision Finance. We're just going to take a look at it. There's a couple pointers I want to pull out of here, but you should definitely go watch this video. It's, 33 minutes long. This guy in here, man, he seems to be really smart on global geopolitical crazy stuff that's going on, right? Macro investing. I don't know. Definitely check it out.
Hello and welcome to the Real Vision Daily Briefing. It's Friday, March 4th, 2022. I'm Maggie Lake here with Peter Zeihan, political strategist and founder of Zeihan on Politics. Peter is also the author of the new book, The End of the World is Just the Beginning, Mapping the Collapse of Globalization. Peter, welcome. Congrats on the new book and how timely. We were just commenting that it could be the caption for this week. That's how it feels.
Yeah, and we're just getting started on this particular the circus. It's there's a lot more coming just around the corner.
Now, is this going to permanently alter the supply chains if that wasn't already happening?
I agree with about half of that. On supply chains, certainly, between the shale revolution, COVID, populism, anti-trade, Trump, Biden, all of that combined, there is now not a manufacturing process in East Asia that can be done more cheaply than its equivalent in North America. You just have to build the industrial plant first, and I realize that takes years based on the sector. So the U.S. right now is going through its fastest industrialization ever, even faster than what we did during World War II. And this is only going to accelerate that entire process as we basically draw a big, thick line between the North American system and this China-centric system. And since the United States system has Mexico and has the consumption and China does not, that ends with China being removed as a significant manufacturing player, assuming it doesn't collapse on its own first. We need to double, roughly, our industrial plant. In terms of energy, there's going to be a whole mix of things in there. As long as Biden does not does not reinstate the U.S. energy export embargo, you're going to see a huge expansion of drilling because you're talking about feeding into a system that's at least 5 million barrels per day shy. You know, if prices stay under 170 in that environment, I would be shocked. But Biden is also a populist. There is no way that he or Trump or Obama would expose the American population to $200 oil if he didn't have to. And he doesn't have to, because in the 2015 omnibus bill, the president has the ability to slam the export ban back into place at any time without needing to go to Congress first. So one way or another, the world is not just losing Russian crude, it's also losing American crude.
Do you expect that to happen, the export ban?
This year.
Wow, lot of big thoughts in this. I'm just absorbing it as we all are, Peter. I just want to end. We're almost out of time, but for those who want to read your book, there is something that you focus on which is really important, and I just want to tease it. We're not going to have time to get into it all, but the undercurrent of all of what we're talking about is also demographics. You touched on it a little bit earlier, but I think it's really important when you're also talking about China. Why is that important? How do you view this in terms of who might be, I don't want to say a winner, but who might be better positioned to deal with some of these massive changes that you're talking about?
Let me give you the 1-minute version. People in their 40s and 50s are the savers. They're the high productive workers. They don't consume much. That's Europe. People in their 20s and the 30s, they're the low-end workers. They're the consumers. That's maybe the Middle East. And people who are in their 10s and their single digits, they're the children. They're the workers of tomorrow. No one has children except for the United States, Mexico, France, and New Zealand.
United States, Mexico, France, and New Zealand.
Most advanced countries, and especially countries that are rapidly industrialized like China and Korea, they're already into that near retiree bracket. So we know that we're facing population collapses in a number of major economies, first and foremost China, because they stopped having kids in number 40 years ago.
A lot to worry about in there, but you certainly opened our eyes.
Oh man, that's a lot of crazy information on that video. I just cut in like 2 or 3 clips. You're going to have to go on there and check it out. I'm going to probably have to check out this guy's book. What was his name? Peter Zeihan, spelled Zeihan. I would have said Zeihan, but either way, that dude seems pretty smart, and he's talking like, this is going to happen. It's all happened in the past, and it's gonna happen again. Like nonchalant, man. Like not even like, oh, we're all gonna die, you know. But just like, oh man, check it out. Like dude, sounds like he knows what he's talking about. Either way, you should go take a look at it. I'll put a link to the video down in the description. And you know what? I appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. And if you could, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.
I think I need a stiff drink after that conversation. A lot to worry about in there.